Meaning of Elysian.
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 Elysian. Elysian refers to something that is blissful, beautiful, and idyllic. It comes from Greek mythology, where Elysium was a place where heroes and those favored by the gods were said to spend their afterlife. As an adjective, Elysian can be used to describe a place or moment that is peaceful, sublime, or delightful. It can evoke images of pastoral landscapes, heavenly music, or celestial beings. Overall, Elysian is a term that conveys a sense of perfection, beauty, and happiness.